Hey, what's up, everybody? Gonna do a quick review on the Caboki hair loss concealer. So, this is the first time I do anything a little personal like this, but I figured it was worth it because it's actually been helping me a lot. So, I'm about 30, almost 39 years old. I started thinning my hair, losing hair, whatever you want to call it, in my early 30s. And I was like, man, I didn't really pay too much attention, wear a lot of hats. I still get short haircuts, skin fades and stuff like that. So I still keep hair on the top, but as you can see, it's thin, you know what I'm saying? And there's some days, like if I'm going to the pool with the kids, I notice it. I kind of just wear it, I wear it on my shoulder, and, the idea that I know I got thinning hair, but I've been using this Caboki hair loss concealer, and it works like a charm. It gives you that instant coverage when I go to work. If I'm not wearing a hat that day, I could take the hat off knowing that it conceals it. So I'm gonna give you a quick little demonstration on it. Caboki, I got it in dark brown. What I do is, in this case, I'm gonna put a little pomade. Sometimes I just wet my hair because I want to comb it, but I'm gonna do a quick little pomade, which is not part of it, but you can see I get a little, just some volume, and so I could comb it, and then I'm gonna pour the hair loss, treatment, the Caboki, you know what I'm saying? And actually I see I'm a little low, which is a good thing because I need to get some more of it. And rinse my hands a little bit, get the comb. All right, bear with me. Let me get a little comb here. I got my kids' comb, but so as you can start seeing, yeah, you see the thinning, right? It's there, but I deal with it. I haven't really looked at other treatments thus far, just because I'm still holding on to this stuff. But maybe eventually I might talk to a specialist or a doctor about it. But as you can see, I set it up. All right, grab the Caboki. I stand away from a vent so it's not blowing anywhere, and I just kind of do some taps, just like that. I cover around, and you can start seeing it starting to darken up. I don't know, so I don't need to always go crazy. Actually, I like keeping a natural look, so it doesn't look too dark, but just like that. You can see already, it works great. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to have a wet look. I like it because I like having my hair combed. But there's times where I will do it dry, and you would need less of this because it's almost instant. So definitely recommend it. You could already see, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. It was right in front of your eyes. So definitely recommend it for you guys and gals who have thinning hair. Give it a shot, all right? Take it easy, everybody.